senators and congressmen and women about what we care about, why general aviation matters, and then what we would like them to do on our behalf to make sure that we're doing what we are also like to do.
And that is the mission of AOPA. Appreciate it.
About 30, a mix of, I went to Alaska, I was a backcountry pilot up there. I had corporate jets for quite a few years. I continued to teach. I was a glider tail pilot in the summers. I got more for how all.
Wow, what a background. Yes, our guest here is Aaron Pleasant, the president of AOPA. And we're going to keep talking to you a little bit more. What's the state of the organization right now, AOPA?
Organization's in great shape. We're to do a lot of things, provide a lot of services to our members. We think our advocacy efforts are as strong as ever. The one area that we are focused on is how do we ensure that the young folks coming into aviation understand the full spectrum of services that we provide, the support we provide, to help them in their aviation journey, whether that's professional or recreational, whether it's as employees.
That's the future of our application.
Back behind me, there were fewer places around the airport. A young guy like I was at the time invited me to go for a ride. I feel it to some extent. AOPA helps to overcome some of the challenges that exist today. It's more expensive. We have dollars that are expensive. We have virtual training that some of the exposures and things that I got behind the phone. And then we just have other services like pilot protective services. And once you're a pilot, well, you never know when you have a medical issue or a legal issue, and there's nothing like having somebody in your court.
We're going to let this incoming jet just kind of slow down a little bit here.
He doesn't like the music of a Harrier.
Yes. And looking forward to the air show today. We're going to be doing a lot with the person. Well, we're going to keep going to research a little bit. My problem with David is this aspect of itself.
Yeah, we got several magazines. I think they're all outstanding. For the 37 years I've been a member of AOPA, so I obviously am a big believer in it. But we also know that not everybody was united. So a big part of what we're also doing is making sure that so on. So we're on one conversation